All right, when are we going to say goodbye to this heat wave? Meteorologist Sabrina Fein with the answer.
Wait, can we just go back to that video? Did you guys notice you're talking about how small the pumpkins are going to be?
And they're like, right, it was massive.
They're like way bigger than me.
There it is.
You have to go to the end of the video.
These look smaller, but the ones that we showed there at the end were massive.
Yeah, they were on the, like, you needed a forklift to move them.
There you go.
Okay. All right, so if you're carving pumpkins today, you're probably going to want to do it inside. Obviously, a good idea considering it is so warm out there. Temperatures for now, 77 degrees out toward Chula Vista and looking out over toward Escondido, about 75 degrees for us. The heat wave continues on into the weekend. In fact, we are looking at temperatures right now, still staying on the warm side in downtown in the upper 70s. Notice our dew point, though, in the 50s. This will fall into the 30s tomorrow, so it will be our driest day, but the winds are calm. In fact, tomorrow only looking at 5 to 10 mile-per-hour winds. Thus, there is not a fire weather watch or red flag warning because of that. We would usually need this area of high pressure to stay situated in the four corners with the cold air above. And instead, we have it shifting a little bit further out to the east, and temperatures are warm. Anywhere from California all the way up to Washington, we're talking about 10 to 20 degrees above average. Even though tomorrow, inland areas as well as that over toward the mountains, here's the bad news, you're actually going to warm up another 2 degrees. We actually are going to continue to deal with the temperatures staying above average all the way until Wednesday. This trough is going to begin to get a little bit closer. Temps are going to try to start to cool off. We get seasonal, mild air, maybe even slightly below average, though, by the time we get on into Friday. So breaking down tomorrow, starting you off at 67 degrees by noon up to 90. 89 degrees at 5 p.m. and this is really right along the coastline, maybe a mile inland. 61 degrees for you out over toward El Cajon, 98 degrees by noon, getting up to 93 degrees by 5 p.m. Some locations in the inland valleys could actually see some record-breaking heat. Last night we told you about Tropical Storm Simon, now a Category 1 hurricane, packing winds of 75 miles per hour. And look at this, guys. By the time we get to Wednesday, hopefully you're not having any plans to head out over toward Baja. There could be a tropical depression on their doors there, bringing winds about 5 to 10 inches or rain about 5 to 10 inches, isolated amounts on up to 15 inches. The storm, though, is fairly small, so the damaging winds only go out about 10 miles. 7-day forecast for you with our heat. 91 degrees tomorrow, 86 Sunday, trying to drop things off. Finally seasonal as we head into the end of the work week. Inland 101 going 98 Sunday, 93 Monday, and then into the 80s, the lower 80s as you wrap up Friday. The mountains 84 degrees, getting to 85 on Sunday. You stay into the 80s through Monday and then dropping to the low 70s by Thursday and Friday. The desert's 99 degrees on Saturday, 98 on Sunday. It will be arid. It is extremely dry for you, and then temperatures actually are going to go into the lower 90s for next work week. That's a look at your 7-day forecast, guys. Back to you.
Okay, Sabrina, thank you very much.